Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Gimp tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to draw a straight line in Gimp without any tool. It's pretty simple to do. I have prepared this here before, and as you can see it's a straight line. And to draw a line like this I just need the pencil. So I click on the pencil and first I set a point where my straight line should start. If I press Shift now, we can see how Gimp shows me a straight line. And as soon as I set a point again at another place, the complete line is created. From there I can continue drawing because this feature can always continue from the last point. But there's another interesting feature, because when I also press the Control key, the line is shown only in certain angles and changes in 50-degree intervals. This way I can also create a straight line with a 45-degree angle. And with that we are done. Actually quite simple, but many Gimp users don't know this feature. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!